Most people think building muscle means lifting heavier and heavier weights. But centuries ago, Spartan warriors built powerful, muscular bodies without barbells, machines, or gyms. Instead, they relied on a handful of brutal bodyweight movements that built real strength, balance, and endurance. In this video, you'll learn 5 Spartan-style exercises that can build serious muscle using only your body weight. If you want strength that actually carries over into real life, watch until the end and try adding these movements to your routine. Let's start with the first one. Exercise 1. Archer push-up. Ancient Spartan warriors used variations of this movement to build incredible chest and shoulder strength. If you have a weak upper body, underdeveloped chest muscles, or struggle with pushing strength, this exercise can help. The best part is you can do it at home with no equipment. To perform it, start in a wide push-up position with your hands about twice shoulder width apart. As you lower your body, shift your weight to one side, bending that arm while the other arm stays mostly straight. Your body moves side to side like drawing a bow. Start with 5 to 8 reps per side and work up to 15 to 20. Archer push-ups are powerful because they force one side of your chest to handle most of the load, while the other arm stabilizes. This increases muscle recruitment and builds a stronger, more balanced chest. Exercise 2. Elevated pike push-up. This exercise builds shoulder strength and size without using dumbbells. It targets your deltoids, improves overhead pressing strength, and increases shoulder stability. Place your feet on a chair or bench and walk your hands back so your body forms an inverted V shape. Slowly lower your head toward the floor between your hands, then press back up through your shoulders. Start with 8 to 12 reps per side and work up to 15 to 20. The elevated pike push-up mimics an overhead press while using only your body weight, activating your shoulders and stabilizing muscles at the same time. Exercise 3. Pistol squat progression. This is one of the most challenging bodyweight leg exercises. It trains each leg independently, building strength, stability, and muscle definition. Stand on one leg with the other leg extended in front of you. Slowly lower yourself while keeping your chest upright. Go as low as you can with control, then press through your heel to stand back up. Start with 5 to 8 reps per leg and gradually increase. If it's too difficult at first, you can hold on to a wall or use assistance while building strength. Exercise 4. Pull-up with a slow negative. This exercise dramatically improves pulling strength and builds an impressive back and arms. Even if you can't do a full pull-up yet, this variation helps build the strength needed. Jump up so your chin is above the bar. Hold briefly at the top, then lower yourself slowly for 3 to 5 seconds. Start with 5 to 8 reps and gradually work toward 10 to 15. The slow lowering phase creates more muscle tension and helps develop back strength faster. Exercise 5. Handstand hold progression. This movement builds shoulder strength, core stability, and balance. It's also excellent for improving overall body control. Start in a push-up position with your feet against a wall. Walk your feet up the wall while moving your hands closer to it. Hold the position for 5 to 10 seconds, then walk back down. As your strength improves, you'll gradually hold a full handstand position against the wall. How you can combine these exercises into a simple routine. Start with archer push-ups for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps per side. Then perform elevated pike push-ups for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Next, do pistol squat progressions for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps per leg. Follow that with pull-ups with slow negatives for 3 sets of 5 to 10 reps. Finish with handstand hold progressions for 3 sets of 10 to 15 second holds. The full routine takes about 40 to 50 minutes and trains pushing strength, leg development, pulling power, and shoulder stability. Train these 5 exercises 3 to 4 times per week, and you'll start noticing real changes. You'll feel stronger, move with more control, and see muscle developing where it matters. The secret isn't complicated programs or endless equipment, it's consistent effort with the right movements. These 5 Spartan exercises train your entire body and build the kind of strength that actually carries over into everyday life. So start simple. Pick a time, stay consistent, and commit to improving a little every week. And if you want more training methods that build real strength without complicated routines, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because the strongest bodies are built with simple movements done consistently. I'll see you in the next video.